The roar of pure Italian passion is about to echo through the streets once again, and today we're talking about a machine that doesn't just push the limits of speed and design, it shatters them completely. Welcome back to Auto Fusion, your go-to destination for the most exciting, in-depth, and adrenaline-charged car reviews on the planet. If you think you've seen fast, if you think you've seen beautiful, I'm here to tell you, you haven't seen anything until you've met the 2026 Ferrari F80. This isn't just another hypercar. This is the embodiment of Ferrari's relentless pursuit of perfection, a car that blends raw, unfiltered performance with breathtaking artistry in a way that only Ferrari knows how. The 2026 Ferrari F80 isn't here to quietly enter the room, it's here to dominate it. From the very first glance, the F80 looks like it was designed to cut through the air with surgical precision. Every single surface, curve, and line is there for a reason. The front fascia is aggressive yet graceful, with razor-sharp LED headlights that almost seem to glare at you. The massive air intakes aren't just for show, they're part of a highly advanced aerodynamic system designed to keep this beast glued to the road at speeds that most cars can only dream about. The sleek, low-slung body sits like a predator ready to pounce, and the flowing lines of carbon fiber sculpting make it clear. This isn't just a car, it's a weapon. But it's when you step closer that you realize Ferrari has done something truly magical here. The F80 is a perfect balance between form and function. The sculpted hood channels air directly over the roof and towards the active rear wing, reducing drag and increasing downforce exactly when needed. The rear end is a masterclass in design, featuring a quad exhaust setup and a massive diffuser that looks like it belongs on a Le Mans race car. The taillights, pure Ferrari DNA, slim, circular, and instantly recognizable, like the finishing touch on a piece of fine Italian jewelry. Underneath this work of art lies an engineering marvel. The 2026 Ferrari F80 is powered by a twin, turbocharged V8 hybrid powertrain that produces a jaw-dropping 200 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right. 1,200 horses, ready to launch you from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds. And if you're brave enough to keep your foot planted, you'll hit a top speed that's rumored to exceed 250 miles per hour. This isn't just acceleration, it's teleportation. The hybrid system isn't here to just check an environmental box, either. It's a core part of the performance, delivering instant torque from the electric motors while the twin, turbo V8 delivers a spine, tingling soundtrack that only Ferrari can produce. The gearbox, a lightning, fast dual, clutch transmission that shifts so quickly and precisely, it feels like the car is reading your mind. The F80's power delivery is nothing short of savage, but thanks to Ferrari's latest traction control and torque vectoring systems, it's manageable even for those who aren't professional racers. Of course, to truly unlock this car's potential, you'll want to get it on a track, because that's where the F80 becomes an entirely different animal. Speaking of handling, Ferrari has pulled out all the stops. The chassis is built around a lightweight carbon fiber monocoque that offers incredible rigidity without sacrificing comfort. The suspension system is fully adaptive, constantly adjusting to road conditions and driving style in milliseconds. On a twisty mountain pass, the F80 feels light on its feet, darting into corners with surgical precision. The steering is razor sharp, giving you an intimate connection with the road. Every input feels direct, immediate, and satisfying. On the track, the active aerodynamics come alive, adjusting the wing angles and airflow to maximize grip at high speeds. Step inside the F80, and you're greeted with a cabin that's as futuristic as it is luxurious. Ferrari has embraced a driver-first philosophy here, with every control, display, and button angled towards the driver for maximum accessibility. The steering wheel is a work of art in itself, featuring integrated controls for drive modes, suspension settings, and even turn signals. Just like in Ferrari's Formula One cars. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, giving you real-time performance data, lap times, and even a G-force meter for those moments when you're really pushing the limits. The materials inside are pure Ferrari, hand-stitched leather, Alcantara, and exposed carbon fiber. Even the seats are a perfect blend of comfort and race-ready support, designed to hold you in place during high-speed maneuvers without sacrificing long-distance comfort. The F80 also offers a surprising level of tech for a hypercar. The infotainment system is sleek and responsive, with support for Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Ferrari's own performance telemetry software. Of course, this is still a Ferrari, so the real entertainment comes from the sound of that V8 behind you. Now, let's talk about the exclusivity. Ferrari is not going to flood the market with these. The F80 will be produced in extremely limited numbers, and getting one won't just require a massive bank account. You'll need to be part of Ferrari's inner circle of loyal customers. This car isn't just about owning a piece of automotive excellence, it's about becoming part of a legacy. Every F80 will be meticulously hand-built in Maranello, ensuring that each one is as unique as the person who owns it. Driving the 2026 Ferrari F80 is not just an experience, it's a statement. It's a declaration that you value the artistry, engineering, and passion that goes into creating something truly extraordinary. Whether you're cruising through the streets of Monaco, unleashing it on the NU Nürburgring, or simply admiring it in your garage, the F80 demands attention and respect. In a world where supercars are becoming increasingly digital, electric, and silent, the Ferrari F80 stands as a bold reminder that emotion still matters. Yes, it embraces hybrid technology, but it does so without sacrificing the soul, stirring performance, and soundtrack that have made Ferrari a legend. It's a bridge between the old-school passion of roaring combustion engines and the future of performance innovation. So, is the 2026 Ferrari F80 the ultimate hypercar? That's a question only time will answer, but one thing's for sure. This car represents the pinnacle of what's possible when passion, performance, and perfection collide. And if you ever get the chance to see one in person, don't just look at it. Listen to it. Feel it. Because cars like this don't just move you, they move your soul. That's all for today's deep dive into the breathtaking 2026 Ferrari F80. If you enjoyed this review and want more high-octane content like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, and join the Auto Fusion family. We've got more incredible machines coming your way, and you won't want to miss a single one. Until next time, keep your passion in high gear and your eyes on the road. If you want, I can now also give you an extra emotional hook at the start to make